So guys, once you're on ChatGPT, in the top left, you want to click right here where it says View Site Information. Click on this. Now you want to select Cookies and Site Data, and then you want to select Manage On-Device Site Data. You want to delete everything that comes up here, and then click on Done. Next, you want to click on this again, View Site Information. Then you want to click on Site Settings. You want to click on Delete Data, and then click on Delete. Then you want to click on Reset, and then click on Reset again. Next, you want to go to Search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator, and then click on Yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS, and then click on Enter. Now, you want to type in netsh winsock reset, and then click on Enter again. For the last step, you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows, log back into ChatGPT, and then the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then the ChatGPT servers are probably down, so you need to wait for them to come back up.